Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you all?
Good evening.
Good,
How about
good. Okay, so um, let's start the session. We were discussing on-page optimization, and in that we discussed SEO title and meta description in the previous session, right? So, any query related to anything that we have discussed till now? Anyone having any query related to any topic? No?
ma'am? What is your time constraint for bounce rate, which I asked in the last class?
Bounce rate. Okay. So, like if someone has visited your website and he or she spent only 1 second or 2 second on your website, and then they immediately uh, uh, means they switch to another website or they close your website. This means they don't they did not get the right information on your website, right, or the relevant information on your website. Okay, or if
Okay, ma'am.
someone is spending time less than 1 minute. Okay, if someone is spending time less than 1 minute on your website, that means they didn't find any relevant information on your website, right? Because if you will visit any website and if you find relevant information on that website, at least you will spend 1 minute or 2 minutes on that website, right? So this is the minimum time. Means if someone is spending less than 1 minute, then it will be considered as bouncing back. Okay, clear? Any other doubt?
Yes, clear.
Okay, any other query? What about your websites? Everyone's website is um, completed? Yes or no? Yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, not completed, ma'am. Last week, little bit fever I got, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Still pending, ma'am. Up to last week, it is updated, ma'am. But last week, last session also, I want to listen once more, ma'am. In read one.
Okay, your voice is breaking, but your website is not completed yet, right? Okay, no problem.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
take time, but make sure you complete your website, right? Everyone. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, so let's now today we will talk about linkings, internal links and external links. What are their importance and what are internal linking and external linking, that we will discuss today. Okay, so uh, first I'll show you how to link any text. Okay, then we will discuss what are these links. Okay, so I'm sharing my WordPress free version of the website. Okay, whether it is free version, whether it is paid version, the process of linking is same everywhere. Okay, in any type of website. Okay, so I'm sharing my website. Is it visible? My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, I'm not able to see anything. Just blacks.
My screen
Yes,
is visible or not?
yes, ma'am. Now it's
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, is my screen visible, Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 okay. So see, when we'll start writing a post, we have to click on add new post. Okay, So this is our post, right? Here you have to add your title. Here you have to start writing your content, right? So let's say I'm writing some content here. Mm, uh, what is SEO? Okay, this is my topic, and sorry, title is what is SEO, right? And now I want to link this website. Whenever you are linking any text with any link, make sure the anchor text is right or the relevant with the link, okay, or with the page with which you are linking this text, okay. Is it clear? How we'll do this? uh, so for internal linking you should have another pages. This website is not having any other pages, so I am just showing how to uh, uh, put a link on any text. Then we will see how to match the relevancy of text and link of a page. So let's say this is the SEO, and I want to link it with any page which is related to SEO, right? So I will search for SEO. Like I want to link a page of Wikipedia. Okay, so this is the Wikipedia telling about search engine optimization. I will copy this link, and after that, this is the search engine optimization. I will select this text. Okay, click on link. This is the symbol of link. Okay, so click on link and paste the URL here and press enter. Okay, and this is the link. Okay, the either it will change the color of the text, or you will see this underline uh, uh, under this text. Okay, so you will know that this particular text is hyperlinked. Okay, is this clear how to put a link or how to insert a link on any text? Is it clear? The process is clear, everyone? Okay, so this is the process of linking. Okay, now let's see the link which I have inserted is external link. Okay, and now if we have to put any internal link, how will we do that? For example, this is my sorry. Hmm, this is my website. Okay, and I want to link it with this website. Okay, text website. Okay, so I'll select this, and when I apply the link of my website page to any text, this is known as internal linking. Okay, and when it is connected to any other website's page, so that is considered as external linking. Okay, now you must have seen many times when there is a one page theme or one page website, when you click on any link, like any text, like if you will click on about us, so it will directly jump, you will directly jump to the about us section. If you will click on contact us, you will jump directly to the contact us section. Okay, have you noticed it? Have you have everyone has anyone noticed this thing, jumping of the link, yeah, for jump link? Has anyone noticed this earlier? What is jump link? Any idea about that? No? Yes, okay. So how to do that, Varnita? No, it is not redirect. Redirect is different. Means, I'll show you an example. For example, let's see any one page theme. So, for example, this is a theme. So here, if I will click on testimonials, so it will directly jump to the testimonial section. Okay, and if I'll click on about us, so all these things are present on one page, single page only. But if you will click on any option available here in the menu section, you will jump directly to that section. Okay, so how to do this? Let's see how to do this. Mm, so like here I have some other text or other heading. For example, I have keyword research here. Okay, this is the heading. Sorry, we have to make it a heading first. Okay, and then okay. So now and here we have to give a menu like here it is written keyword research. Okay, and before keyword research, hmm, what is SEO? Okay, and here we'll put the heading what is SEO also. Okay, what is SEO? Okay, so we have two headings here, what is SEO and keyword research. Now what we want is when someone will click on what is SEO, they should jump directly to what is SEO section, and when someone will click on keyword research, they should directly jump on keyword research section. So how to do that? For doing this, we have to select this text. Okay, for this you should select that block first. Okay, so this is the block. Select this text, keyword research, and on the right hand side you will see the settings of this particular block. Okay, so html anchor. Okay, now here you have to put.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking between.
Okay, am I clear now? Is my voice clear now?
Yes, now it's clear.
Okay, so what I want here is when someone will click on what is SEO, I want them to jump directly to the what is SEO section. And if someone will click on keyword research, what we will do for this, we will select the text first. Okay, and after selecting the text, you will find the settings of this particular block on the right hand side. Okay, so in the right hand side, this is the block settings. You have to go to the advanced section, and in advanced section you will get this HTML anchor. Okay, so here you have to type this keyword research, the word directly. Okay, uh, and between the words there should be no space. Instead you have to put this hyphen, okay, hyphen or dash. Okay, this is clear. Now next thing you have to do is scroll upside and select the keyword research here. You have to link this keyword research. How will you link this? Put hashtag first, hashtag, and then as it is keyword hyphen research, sorry. Okay, and click on this. Now when someone will click on keyword research, they will jump directly to keyword research section. I'll show you how it works. First of all, we have to publish this post. Now let's view the post. Now if I'll click on keyword research option, is it not saved? What happened? Oh, they should jump directly to the keyword research section. I think there is some network issue. Now it will work, I think. Let me check once again. This is the internal linking, keyword research. It is linked. Acha, this was not saved, I think. Advanced HTML anchor. This is also saved. Why it is not working? Mhm. Oh, okay. Mm, why it is not working? There is some technical issue, I think. Uh, but the process is right. When we'll click on this, see here, message is displayed, but it is not redirecting for some reason. I think there is some issue, but the process is clear to all. Is the process clear? How to do this? How to put this jump link or internal linking within a page? The process clear or not?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you please give just a small brief about it, what you were explaining?
Yes, means this is the link when we want our users to jump on a particular section when they will click on any text within a page. Okay, so in that case we can use this HTML anchor link. This is basically the HTML anchor, or you must have heard about jump link. Okay, so this is the jump link actually. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay.
हम ऑप्शन टा कहाँ पर है और एक बार दिखा दीजिए जाके
क्या चीज?
ये ऑप्शन टा कहाँ से जाके लिंक टा पेस्ट
हाँ
करना है थोड़ा सा और एक बार दिखा दीजिए
हाँ हाँ, वो बता देती हूँ. Yes, Kartik, you were asking something.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, whatever the spelling is given is should be same, no, ma'am.
Sorry.
Whenever use the jump link, ma'am, whenever we're using the jump link,
Uh-huh.
on top, whatever the spelling is given, the head also should be same, no, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking, Kartik. You are asking when we'll use this jump link, the process is same. Are you asking that?
No, not process, ma'am. Spelling of the heading, no, ma'am. Heading spelling.
Kartik, your voice is breaking too much. I'm not able to understand. Can you please type in the chat box instead?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm showing process once again. Okay. Yes, Surya, you were asking something.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you that you want to recollect the process once again so that it is easy to understand.
Yes, yes, I'll share one second. Or else I'll try on my own website also. I'll show you on that. I think it will be easy for you to understand. One second. Hmm. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, this is another post. This is another website. Okay, and I'll create a menu here. I want people to. This is physical health. Okay, and let's say mental health and long term benefits. Okay, mental health and long term benefits. So what they will get in the post, this I have listed here, right? Now let's say this is the physical health, and I want when someone click on physical health, they should jump here directly on this portion. Okay, so what I will do, first of all, I will select this heading. Okay, this block I will select, and the settings of this block is visible here on the right hand side. Now I have to click on advanced section, and here I have to write enter a word or two without spaces to make a unique web address just for this block. Okay, that is called an anchor. Then you will be able to link directly to this section of your page, right? So what you have to do, you have to put it directly physical health. Okay, without any space we have to write this. Between the two words we can put this hyphen. Okay, hyphen or dash, right? So this HTML anchor is done. Now after this we have to select this physical health, click on link, put hashtag first. Okay, whenever we want to use this jump link, we have to use hashtag first. Okay, and after hashtag you have to write physical health, physical hyphen health. Okay, press enter to add this link. So press enter. Now this link is done. Okay, when someone will click on this, they will directly jump to the physical health section. Okay, I'm doing this process once again. Let's go to the mental health. This is the mental health. I'll select this block, go to the advanced section. Here HTML anchor, write mental hyphen health. Okay, it is done. Now again go to the mental health in menu section, select this, click on link, and put hashtag, then mental hyphen health, and press enter. Now this is also linked. Now update this. Let's see the post now. Now I'm clicking on physical health, and it is directly jump to the physical health section. When I'll click on mental health, now we are on mental health section, right? This is how it works. Is it clear now how it works and
Yes,
how to
ma'am.
do this?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Everyone, yes, Karthik. Acha, Karthik have pinged me. Okay, spelling of heading and the jump links also should be same. Yes, yes, Karthik. Spelling should be same. Correct. Okay. Any other doubt? Anyone? Okay, so now this is the jump link, and you have to process it like this. practice it once. Okay, so you will get this how to create a link. Okay, practice this on your website. If you face any problem, you can ask me in the next session. Okay, yes. Now let's see what are these links and how it works. Okay, why these links are important. Okay, so when we are doing search engine optimization, when we do this SEO process of optimizing a website or any online content to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine like Google, the primary goal is to attract both organic traffic from non sorry organic and non-organic traffic, right? So for this, we should, so first of all, create a relevant, authoritative and user friendly content, right? And after that, when we are using this internal linkings, when we are writing this content and when we are putting this when we are inserting this links, internal linkings and external linkings in our content, first of all, what we have to do, uh, what things we have to keep in mind, uh, we have to put this internal links, right? Why we should put this internal linkings? To make our website structure very strong. Okay, when our internal linking structure means the website structure means the internal links that you are using in the website, that must be strong, right? First of all, what is internal links? Internal links are we can say hyperlinks that point to another page of the same website. Okay, for example, if you have a blog post on your website and you link to another blog post within that same website, that is an internal link. Okay, is that clear? Is it clear to all? Internal link is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Okay, now what is the importance of internal link? First of all, it improves navigation on our website, right? Internal links helps users navigate through your website, allowing them to discover more content on your website, right? And this improves the user experience and increases the time users spend on your website, right? Ultimately it will increase the ranking or the visibility of your website on search engine result page, right? So very first importance of this internal linking is it improves navigation, right? Second thing is it spreads link equity. What is link equity? Any idea about link equity? Anyone? Link equity or link juice? Have you heard this term earlier? No? Okay. What is it? Link equity is basically when we distribute the authority, right? So internal links distribute pages authority, okay, across your website. Okay, means pages authority, for example, one of your post is ranking very good, means it is ranking on the first position on search engine result page. Okay, and some of your pages are not ranking on any of the page. Okay, now not 1 2 3, or if it is ranking on 10th page, okay, on search engine result page. So what you can do for increasing the visibility of that page on search engine result page, what we can do, we can link that post to our highest ranking post, right? So when we will connect these two posts, what will happen? When someone will visit on the top ranking post, they will get the link of another post that is ranking on the 10th page on search engine result page, right? So we are redirecting traffic which we are getting on the top ranking page to the post that is not ranking on search engine result page, right? So when traffic will come to that page also, Google ultimately will give rank to another post also, right? So this is how the internal links spread link equity. Okay, means they will distribute pages authority across your website, So by linking to key pages, for important pages which are ranking good on search engine result page, we can pass some of the SEO values to those pages also, and that this will potentially improve their rankings too on search engine result page. Okay, is that clear? Link equity is clear. This point is clear to all. Any doubt in this? Anyone? It is clear to all. Okay, now after this we have another importance of this internal link is it enhances crawlability. Okay, means when what is crawling, is it clear what is crawling? Do you know what is crawling? Crawling or crawlers, any idea about that? Anyone? Karthik, what is crawling?
No, ma'am, don't.
Don't know. Anyone else? Varnita, any idea about crawling? No. Acha. Crawling is basically when crawlers of search engine, crawlers are bots. Okay, search engine bots. Okay, so these bots, they will come to your website, they will visit your website, and they will analyze your website, what is the content on your website, they will understand this. Okay, and on the basis of that they will provide you ranking on search engine result page when someone will search the keyword related to your content. Okay, this process, the process of analyzing your content on website, this process is known as crawling. Okay, now is it clear? Crawling is clear. So when yes, so when crawlers come to your website by following this internal linkings, this internal linkings actually enhances crawlability, right? For example, when you have a well structured internal links, so these internal links make it easier for search engines to discover and index all the important pages on your website, right? Means what will happen, they will enter your website through any one of your posts. Okay, and they will find other post link on the same page, right? So they will get those links too, and they will click on those important links directly from the existing one, right? So they don't have to search for links on your website, they will get inside other posts too, other posts only, right? So this makes the easier for them, the process is easier for them to crawl your whole website. Okay, so this is how internal links enhances the crawlability on your website, right? Is it clear? Clear how internal links helps in crawling any website?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now after this the another importance of internal link is it helps with hierarchical structure of the website. Okay, internal links support the organization of your content. Okay, how they support this? By linking strategically, you can establish a clear website structure with more important pages receiving more links. Okay, important pages here are the ones that you want to rank higher, or the ones that are already ranking higher on search engine result page, so that we can link more and more pages to these ranking pages, and we can pass on the link equity to those pages also, so that they can also rank on search engine result page, right? So this is how internal links helps with the hierarchical structure of your website. Clear? So these are the points of internal linking, why internal linkings are important for search engine optimization. Okay, all the points are clear. Any query related to any point? Anyone? No? Okay, now let's understand what are external. Yes, Surya? Want to ask anything?
Yes,
Yes.
about the scholar. Yeah, can I repeat about the scholar, ma'am?
Sorry,
That
I'm not.
oral point about the scholars.
Which point?
Previous point, ma'am. Scroller.
The crawler. It is not scroller.
Oh,
It is
crawler.
crawler.
Okay.
Yes. One second.
Okay, can I spell it, ma'am? I thought
Ha,
it is scrolling.
crawling. Yes, correct. Crawling it is.
Okay.
Okay. So crawling is. Should I explain the process of crawling again?
Just an outline, ma'am.
Okay.
Overall
So
points.
yes. Crawling is basically the bots of search engine. They will come to your website and they will analyze the content available on your website, right? Whatever you have uploaded on your website, like if you have written post on your website, if you have uploaded images, any videos, documents, whatever is there on your website, the crawlers will come and understand the content of your website, and they will store the important things from your website to their server. And whenever someone will search for any keyword related to your business, on the basis of their understanding, they will rank your content in front of users. Okay, so this is the process of crawling and indexing and ranking, right? Crawling is just to analyze the content available on your website. Okay, is that clear now, Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now let's see what are external linkings. Okay, external linkings are basically when we external links, we can also call external link as outbound links, right? So they are the hyperlinks that point to a page on a different page. For example, we have linked this text to the Wikipedia page. Okay, so Wikipedia is not my website, right? This is another website, so this will be the external link, right? So when we are linking any text of our website to any other web page, that will be known as external link, right? Now, why this external links are important? First of all, from the SEO purpose, right? First is credibility and trust, right? Linking to high quality and authoritative source can enhance your content credibility, right? Means search engine considers this as a positive signal when you suggest your website, as well as you are no suggesting any other good resource for your audience. Okay, so it will ultimately enhance the credibility and trust of your audience in your website or in your brand. Okay, and for search engine also, this is a positive signal. Okay, suggesting that your site is well researched and trustworthy because you are providing good source of information to your audience, right? Is it clear? Why, how the external linkings are helpful for enhancing the credibility and trust of your brand? Is it clear? Someone was asking me why we are providing external links in our post. What is the importance, right? So this is the importance of external linking. When we are providing a good source of information to our audience, a search engine actually sees it as very important signal, positive signal. Okay, that's why we should use at least one external link in our post, right? Then next thing is relevance and signals. Okay, so external links to authoritative content can signal to search engines that your content is relevant to the topic at hand, right? This relevance can boost your own site SEO. Means whenever we are linking any text to any page, we have to keep in mind that the content of that page should be relevant to whatever topic we are discussing, or whatever the word of that particular anchor text. Okay, the word on which we want to link that word should be relevant to the page with which we are linking. For example, if we are inserting link on SEO, so the page on which we are linking to which we are linking should be relevant, means that page should also talk about search engine optimization only, right? Is that clear? This point is clear? Okay, okay, 1 second now. Yes, after this, next thing is building relationships, right? So linking out to other websites can actually build relationships with other content creators also, and potentially it will lead to backlink creation. Okay, what is backlink creation? Have we discussed this earlier? Backlink or backlink creation?
No, ma'am.
No. So backlink creation is basically when we share our website's link on any other website, that is known as backlinking. Okay, it is actually helpful for driving traffic from those websites. So when we are providing external link to any other website, we are actually giving them a backlink. Okay, so when we are providing backlink to any other website, this actually helps us to build relationship with those content creators, right? And this relationship actually helps us on digital platforms, right? Where means they can also provide us backlinks, okay, in future if we want. Okay, so we can help each other like that. Okay, so we can build relationship on the basis of this backlinks. And backlinks are very important factor in SEO. Actually, they can significantly influence your website's authority and rankings, right? So that is why backlinks are important, and this is how the external links actually help our websites. Okay, website ranking. Okay, then next point why we should use external link is encouraging link building. By linking to other sites, you may encourage reciprocal linking, right? Where other site links back to you, right? Means when I am providing you backlink, you will also provide me backlink. So this is known as reciprocal linking, right? So this is sorry, this is how this reciprocal links work. And this external link building actually encourages this reciprocal linking, right? So this is this will help in gaining more external links, which are very essential for SEO. Okay, is that clear? All the points are clear? Any doubt in any point? Any point I should explain again? No, everything is clear? Okay, now
Ma'am,
uh,
please explain backlink once.
backlink. Okay,
Yes.
backlink means when we connect या फिर when we share our website link on any other website. For example, I'm sharing my link on any social media platform like Facebook, Instagram. Okay, that is also a backlink. Or another type of backlink is you have a website and I am also having a website, right? So I will provide backlink to your website, means I will no I will share my link on your website, and you will share your link on my website, and both of us will approve these backlinks on our website. Okay. Means
Okay.
when you are inserting after you are commenting and creating a backlink on my website, I will approve that. Okay, so this will be known as backlink. Okay,
Ma'am,
basically.
from the both side, right?
Yes. uh,
Okay.
not it is not always no like we both have to create backlinks. If
Mm-hmm.
only I will create a backlink on your website and you will approve this, this will also be considered as backlink. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
when it is from both sides, that is known as reciprocal link. That is also a form of backlink only. Okay.
ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, any other doubt? Any other doubt from anyone? Okay, so all the topics that we have discussed till now, all are clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will see what is URL structure. I'm sharing a PPT with you for that. What is URL first of all? Can anyone explain what is URL? What is the full form of URL and why it is important in SEO? Anyone? URL though you should know.
It is the unique resource, I think,
Okay.
of the website.
Uniform resource locator. Okay. So why it is important, Varnita? Hello. Yes, Varnita. I'm showing internal linking structure also. How should be the internal linking structure on your website? That also I'm sharing. One second. Okay, so someone has messaged me. What is that? Unified resource location. Okay. Yes, Karthik. And why this URL is important?
Ma'am,
As the name says that it's an unique identification for the blocker to identify their website.
Okay.
To identify the web page.
To identify that page. Yes, very good. So full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator, right? This is the full form. And one second, is my PPT visible? Is my screen visible to you?
No, ma'am.
No. Acha, one second. I'm sharing it once again. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the this should be the structure of sorry, this should be the structure of your internal linkings on your website, right? This is an image from Moz. So means why it is important, like this structure is important. This is known as linear structure. When someone will enter from any of the posts, they will directly get path to other posts too, right? If they will visit, they will enter the website from this post, so they will get from here they can directly go to this page. From this they can directly go to this page. Once again, and from here they can go to here, they can go to home page. From home page they can go to this. So any page they can visit. All the pages are interlinked, right? So when the pages are interlinked, the none of your page will left from any user or any crawler. Okay, so that is why this internal linking structure should be linear. Every page should be connected with one another, right? Is that clear? Linear structure is clear. Now I'll share that page URL also. So URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It is the address of a specific web page or a file that is available on internet, right? Now how does this URL work? When you type a URL into your browser or the address bar, you are giving your browser specific instruction on where to go on the internet, right? For example, means you are giving the destination. This is the destination, please go to this destination, right? So you will reach that destination directly, right? That is how URL works. Now we have a structure of URL. Whenever this is the URL structure. So please take the screenshot of this URL structure. We will understand this URL structure in detail in the next session. Okay, everyone, please take the screenshot and let me know when it is done.
Done.
Done, everyone? Kartik, Surya, Ashrujit.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, okay. So we will understand Anirban. Okay. Yes. So we'll understand this URL structure in detail in the next session, because we don't have time now, right? So we'll continue this. Okay. So please practice all the things that we have discussed till now, so that we can understand the things, and if you have any query related to any topic, we can discuss that in the next sessions. Okay, clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Let's end the session for today. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.